Question: what is the Doppler effect? The Doppler effect is an increase or decrease in the frequency of sound as the source and observer move toward or away from each other.
Let's put it to the test.
Our highly scientific processes call for rigid control standards, two of such being
Fast cars and science.
we see this car go from a complete stop, making barely any noise, to peeling out, making a whole lot of noise.
The science of sound deals with tiny movements of minuscule atoms of air and how that energy propagates itself through our world. But how can that information be used to answer our question?
Given our principle of sound, this makes sense due to the stored energy of gasoline being burned into fuels. Propelling the car forward with sound as a byproduct of all the changes in energy. Ready for this up?
Ready.
Mom! Yeah! The results are in.
And it looks like we have a conclusion.
As sound waves move toward you, they get louder.
And as they move away, they get fainter.
For the second part of this video, I have a clip from Into the Universe with Stephen Hawking, and he goes through a real-life example of what can be applied with light and the Doppler effect, so enjoy.
Examine any patch of the night sky, even one as small as the head of a pin, and this is what you'll find. A tiny part of the vast web of galaxies. It's less than a millionth of what we can see of the cosmos from our little planet. But even this tiny sample is enough to find the clue, the key to the past, the present, and perhaps the future too. The clue is that seen from Earth, all these distant galaxies are slightly red in color. They appear almost as if we were looking through rose-tinted glasses. It's this very redness that reveals how the universe was born. And to show you why, I need a straight road and a noisy car. Listen to the sound as it passes by. As the car approaches, the pitch of its engine rises. As it goes away, the pitch of its engine falls. This phenomenon is called a Doppler shift, and the exact same thing happens with light. If our eyes were more sensitive to color, we could see that the car is actually very slightly blue as it approaches, and very slightly red as it goes away. The same rules apply in space. All distant galaxies are slightly red in color. So by the exact same piece of basic physics, they must all be moving away